So I'm in the office, and you guys know that I work with some crazy co-workers, but this time, I have Mr. Suave, we call him, Mr. Arnold Schwarzenegger, because he's got the look. And I'm gonna mess with him today because he always telling me he likes the black girls and Jamaicans. I don't know why these guys talk about they love Jamaicans so much. All right, so Mohammed.
Yes.
All right, ladies, calm down, calm down, calm down. So Mohammed, you've been to Jamaica before?
4 times.
You hear that? 4 times. Okay. Why do you like Jamaica?
Beautiful woman, beautiful food, nice weather, nice cigarettes.
Nice cigarette.
Can't go wrong.
Now, you all know that he's not really talking about cigarettes, right? But we don't want to say it. We don't want to say it out loud. So Mohammed, your girlfriend is Jamaican?
Yes.
Ooh, did you hear that, guys? Girlfriend is Jamaican. Oh my God. Well, you're going to break some of these girls' heart now. So what are some of the stuff then that she tell you in Jamaica? Like when she, I know when you and her argue, she going to cuss you out. What she say?
Bamba clad. Upale. Sabase.
That one was Haitian now.
That was
Mommy, kill me. Mommy, did you say? All right, Mommy, I'm going to tell you to say this in Jamaican. Say, oh, me love Jamaican girl card. Them I say one. Say that.
Ooh, I love Jamaican girl.
Say, them I say one.
One.
Say, them I say one.
Damn, I say one.
All right, do you hear that? Straight from Arnold Schwarzenegger himself.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, we go say, all right, that's it in Jamaica now. So here I want you say now, Mohammed. Say, big up on yourself, all Jamaicans, straight.
Big up yourself, all Jamaican treats.
Chat boat.
That's jackmouth.
Ah,
Let's go, Jamaica. Jamaica in the house.
Guys, that was my crazy co-worker, Mohammed. You cannot tell him. He in Jamaica. I swear to you. I swear to you. Those days that I worked in the city on Wall Street is nothing compared to where I am right now because I have the best, the craziest set of co-workers ever. So big up Special K.
Little special K.
To the world.
To the world.
Aye.
K in the house.